Belmont Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Belmont Street, Brooklyn, New York. Belmont, Brooklyn, New York. This lesson here in Belmont, Brooklyn, New York. We're gonna pick up a student here. Plays on Belmont. In the right turn here, this traffic light. Gonna do mirror right, shoulder right. Okay, make sure we fall right into lane. Gonna keep straight here. Okay, we fall right into our lane, so we didn't have to put no more indicator. Okay, we're making a left here on Belmont Avenue, actually. Belmont Avenue. Making a left turn here, Belmont Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. That's what this lesson is used this morning. Left turn here, mirror left, shoulder left. All right. This is Belmont Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. These are the area we serve lessons as well. Gonna do a few left and right here. Full stop here, make this stop here. Check, nobody here. Okay, we're here first, let's go around. Making a right turn at the corner. Signal all of our attention. Come up to an all-way stop sign where everybody can see everybody. And make the turn. Okay, got a little bit of traffic here. Let's see what's going on. Give them some room to clear. Looking behind us. Okay, continue to go from here. Covering the bridge to go around problem. Taking a right turn at the light. Yellow light is not for student, okay? Your right shoulder right. Good. Going straight across. Belmont Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, one of the area here that we cover here at Pierre Driving School. If you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If there is anything you want us to cover for you in particular, put it in the comment below, as that's where we have most of our video topic coming from. If you met for the first time, my name is Ben. I'm an instructor here at Pierre Driving School, and this channel we are all about driving. Making a right turn here, mirror right, shoulder right. Okay, continue to go. Okay, we're gonna make a right turn again here on Belmont Avenue. Belmont Avenue. Signal the turn. Lean towards the side. Waiting for clearance. Your right shoulder right, and make the turn. Always stop sign. We're gonna make this stop where everybody can see everybody. Okay, we're here first. No cars is coming. Make sure to follow our clearance. Continue to go. Coming up to an all-way stop sign, we're gonna make this stop where everybody can see everybody. Right here, continue to go. We're gonna do parallel parking with this car here on the right side. Let's see if we have enough room to do it. We're gonna signal the parking. Okay, mirror right, shoulder right, and we're gonna roll up to line up. Is a fire hydrant? Can we? Yes, got it tight, but we can make it happen. Now remember, folks, whenever you're setting up to the parallel parking, you have to make sure that the room you live next to you is enough for a person to walk, and also you do not want to be too far out on the side that you're making the parallel parking. Why is that? Because that can, when you're going out, when you're swerving out to the right, the head of the car gonna swerve to the left, then that's gonna make it difficult for people to come around. And when that happens, there's nothing really we can do. The examiner may have to hit the brake because we are too far out when we're doing those parking. You know, remember when you're doing those things, is a lot of times the examiner are looking for, you have to be able to deliver to that level, otherwise they will hit the brake. We do not want that, right? And also when we size the parking, we make sure that our mirror hit mirror to mirror, because if you do it farther back, and let's say that passing the mirror, then coming back as you do your maneuvers, gonna make it difficult for people, for you to take the parking. I've seen it in most occasions where when students do that. We tell them doing the parallel parking, they pull so far up. Now when they turn the wheel, they're already halfway in that car, then that's gonna be problem for you to do the parallel parking. Reason why, you're gonna either, number one, hit the car when you make the turn. Number two, you're gonna be too close to the car after you get your measurement for you to straighten up the car. Number three, you're gonna end up hitting the car. Number four, the examiner gonna have to fail you the test. That's a bonus step, because reason why, they do not want any headache to happen while you're setting up to the parallel parking. We cover all these things in this channel, and we have a video dedicated specifically for the parallel parking, if you will, that can help you get a better understanding of that. If you're new here, consider to subscribe. This has been with Pierre Driving School. This channel is all about driving. This lesson about today was about Belmont Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. That's what this lesson was. Until then, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye, folks.